Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Ghost Floppa. First, you'll need to find the hidden portal located deep within the Whispering Woods. This portal is often guarded, so be prepared. Next, your quest requires you to gather 3 spectral keys. These keys are dropped by specific minibosses scattered across the map. Make sure your character's agility stat is at least 50 to successfully navigate the upcoming obstacles. This initial phase sets the foundation for your journey. Once you have all 3 spectral keys, return to the portal in Whispering Woods. Use the keys to activate it, opening a gateway to the spectral realm. Inside, you'll face the spectral maze, a challenging area filled with phantom traps that can slow your progress. Be careful and observe the patterns to avoid them. Your ultimate goal here is to confront and defeat the Spectral Guardian, a powerful entity protecting the path forward. Victory here is crucial. With the Spectral Guardian vanquished, a hidden passage will reveal itself, leading you directly to Ghost Floppa's lair. This passage is often well concealed, so look closely for any subtle clues. Before entering, you must solve an ancient riddle, which is the key to unlocking the lair's main entrance. Take your time to decipher it correctly. Once inside, be ready for the ultimate challenge, a direct confrontation with Ghost Floppa himself. This is the moment you've been working towards. The final step is to engage Ghost Floppa in battle. This will be your toughest fight yet, so use all your skills and resources wisely. Upon defeating Ghost Floppa, he will acknowledge your strength and join your collection as a loyal companion. Congratulations, you've successfully acquired Ghost Floppa. Also, make sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.